Hello everyone. Look at the irony of life. We take for granted what is available in abundance and for free and realize its value when we need it and need to pay for it and still don't get it. I'm talking about oxygen. This video is very relevant because each one of us needs to keep our oxygen level high by doing normal deep breathing. But we are not aware how to do deep breathing because we are not taking enough oxygen into our system from what is available to us in the atmosphere. So in this video, we are going to be showing you certain things that you need to do to be able to enhance your lung capacity and to breathe properly and deeply. So you can see our videos which are on enhancing lung capacity, but even here we will tell you what are the techniques to find out whether you are breathing deeply or not. So we will start with just in our sitting position. So we should be able to breathe deeply in all postures that we are using in our day-to-day life. Sitting is one. Sit on a chair, sit on a sofa, sit on the bed, not an issue. But let us see how to ensure that you are breathing deeply. So while sitting down, just put your hand on your stomach very gently, don't push it, and just inhale and see that your stomach comes out. Continue to breathe even beyond when your stomach is out fully. So you will find that the breath then moves upwards, and that is filling up all the three chambers of your lungs, and that is what is deep breathing. So let us do this very quickly. So you exhale completely, put your stomach in and start inhaling. Continue to breathe, feel the breath moving into the three chambers of your lungs right up to here. That is deep breathing. And once you do it with awareness, once you do it with a little bit of effort, because normal breath will not rise up to that extent, it has to go up vertically. But just ensure that you are doing this at least for 5 minutes, at least 3 times a day, and that you will find that your oxygen levels are better than what they were when you were not doing this. So one more time I'll repeat this. This is a deep breath, and we can all do it, but we have to consciously do it. We have to be aware of doing this. Only then we will gain by it. In the next clip, I'll show you how to do it lying down, because people who are lying down are not able to get up today. Also need to do deep breathing on their own. So I will show you face up and face down both. In this clip, you'll see how to ensure that you are doing deep breathing while lying down on flat on your back. Now you can be doing this on your bed. I'm showing it to you lying on the mat, but you should be able to do this lying in bed also. So you can either keep your legs straightened out, or you can fold your legs. Now the technique here is to ensure, put your hands flat on the navel. Put them like this. Your fingers are touching each other, the middle finger, and that point where they are touching is on the navel. All you have to do is exhale completely. So what happens? The navel goes down, your stomach is going in, and see the fingers coming up? This is the starting position. Start your inhale through your nostrils, mouth remaining closed. When this point comes, where you have inhaled up to this point, continue to inhale. See, the movement of the breath moves in this region. So we are trying to fill up all the three chambers of our lungs. I'm going to repeat this without talking. You will feel that the breath is moving. When your hands come out straight, stop the movement of the hands and continue to breathe, and the breath will flow into the upper chambers of your lungs. This is actually a deep breath. So just ensure that you do this with awareness for 5 minutes, every 3 hours, every 4 hours, and you will find that you will be filling up all the three chambers of your lungs. You will be really taking a deep breath, which is the need of the hour today.
This is the starting position. You have put a pillow, a thin pillow under your pelvic bone, and your hands are folded and your head is placed on that. Now I am showing you this on the mat. You can do this on the bed because that will be easier and more comfortable. The only technique here is that your pelvic region is slightly raised due to the pillow and your stomach and chest is gently placed on the ground or against the mattress. And all you have to do is continue to breathe. What will happen is that the breath that goes in is finding resistance in the front part of the body, in the front part of our lungs and our chest. And when you continue to breathe, you see the back moving up and down when I am breathing. So that ensures that our breath goes deeper into the rear part of the lungs, which are at the back. So just watch this. You're breathing through your nostrils, mouth remaining closed, inhaling and exhaling both through the nostrils, finding the resistance when you breathe in the chest area, in the front of the lungs.
When you follow these techniques, you will ensure that you are doing deep breathing. We normally think that we are doing deep breathing, and this is how we go. This is not a deep breath. So ensure that you are breathing deeply, because the need of the hour is that our oxygen levels have to remain high. And by ensuring that you are doing deep breathing correctly, you will also ensure that your oxygen levels are higher than when you were not doing it. You can check that. So we hope you like this video, and in case you found it useful, please share, like and subscribe so that more and more people can view it and gain by it. Thank you very much.